Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a case unboxing, and the box actually has some pretty heavy damage. Obviously we got a hole right there. I can just reach straight in through that. That's kind of crushed and damaged. And then whenever you bring it around, look at that right there. That is absolutely ridiculous. And as you can see, something heavy or something hit that, and obviously solid right there, which stopped it from going all the way through. And then that side looks kind of fine, but usually, I don't want to call anybody out, but usually it's FedEx that does this, but UPS kind of dropped the ball on this one, and hopefully did not destroy anything inside. And I did get these, before I say what they are, I did pick them up from One Stop Diecast, and they usually do a fantastic job with the packing and shipping. And let's go ahead and bust this open, and I'll show you, pull the invoice out. I'll show you exactly what they like to do. So as you can see, got a case right here. This is actually where the crush damage was. So it did hit right down on this box. And oh man, I love how they put all the packing peanuts in, because everything stays nice and protected. But as you see, we got a Hot Wheel premium case just like that. And we actually got another one, so stay tuned because there's going to be a part 2 to this video, and we're going to bust open that other case. But for now, we're going to do this one because this is that one that had the chance of being damaged. And luckily with Hot Wheels, this thing is in a nice, solid, sturdy box. But this is the brand new, I forget the exact name of the set. It's like the Italian set, and it's like I said, Hot Wheel Premium. So let's go ahead, and there's the seal. I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open, and I want to turn it on its side, take out the cars, check them out, and hopefully we get the Chase, because the Chase for this set is another Lamborghini Chase, and it looks absolutely amazing, and I'm really hoping to get it. So I don't want to see into this box, and I won't show you guys either, and I'm going to pull out the cars, and we will see what we get. Let's go ahead, start off. Okay, so standing up on their side. We'll start off on one end and work our way to the other. Okay, so the first car is the Lancia Stratos, which that actually looks really awesome there. And like obviously it has the Real Riders tires, and this one looks really cool. All the little decals, attention to detail, like this is absolutely amazing. And with the whole packaging, with like all the cars lined up, this kind of background will make like the Italian flag with the red, white, and green. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. And next should be another version of it, because there's 2 in each box. Let's go ahead and carefully pull these out. Yep, so there's the other one. All right, let me flex this down a little bit just so the cars aren't so tight coming out. All right, so next up. Okay, so we got the Lamborghini Countach LP 5000 QV. So this is the old school Lamborghini Countach, and in this set there's going to be a newer version, but also there's the name of the series right there, the Spettacolare. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It's Italian. I'm not Italian, so. But we did see a red Lamborghini Countach like this when it came out in the Jay Leno set. So having this yellow one actually looks really cool. You see some of those details just really popping. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and pull out the other one right there. All right, now for the third car. Let's see. Okay, so we got the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, which is kind of a simple looking car, but it looks really nice. You got the little, their signature clover there on the side. You got the green stripe, and then it has like the little snake kind of logo. I think it's a snake. I don't want to offend anybody if I don't know exactly everything about Alfa Romeo. It's not a company I know too much about, but there that is right there. So we're going to go ahead and set that aside and pull out the other one right there. All right, I'm getting a little nervous because we only have 4 cars left in here, and I don't know if one of these is going to be the Chase. Okay, so we got the other Alfa Romeo, which is the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti. Initially looking at the set, I didn't realize that there's 2 Alfa Romeos. So it's actually 2 Alfa Romeos, 2 Lamborghinis, and then the Lancia, which this one is crazy detailed. There's a lot going on here, a lot of decals, logos, stripes, all kinds of stuff all over the packet, or all over the car. And that car looks absolutely amazing. And those wheels look really good with that too. I don't know if you, there we go, you guys can kind of see that. But man, that actually looks like a really cool car with all the decals and everything on it. Man, that looks really cool. And we're gonna go ahead and pull out the other one. All right, so here we go, down to the final car. This is the Lamborghini Countach, like the new one, and this is the chance for the Chase car. I really, really want the Chase. So let's see, we have 2 chances. There's 2 of the Lamborghinis in this case, and one of them may be a Chase. Okay, so the first one is definitely not the Chase, but still looks absolutely beautiful. This is the first time Lamborghini has made this casting, which obviously as the car just came out and it's a very limited run in real life. It's pretty much built on the Aventador chassis, but made to kind of throw back to the old school Countach, which looks absolutely amazing. And it is the Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. So let's go ahead and take that and hold it side by side with the old school Countach. And you guys can kind of see like the resemblance there, especially with that vent there on the side. Kept a lot of the design aspects very similar. But did we get the Chase in this case? There's only one way to find out, and it's right here. So let me go ahead and pull it out. And we did not get the Chase. But that's all right. This still looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and stand up all the cars kind of in order. Let's see here. Let me lay them all out first, and then we can kind of see the Italian flag come to shape. I don't think I have enough room to do it right here, but we will figure this out. I'm going to just kind of do a little bit of an overlap, and you guys can kind of see that Italian flag coming into shape right there, which that looks absolutely amazing. And this set is an incredible set. All 5 of these cars look amazing. And like I said, I do have this other case still here in the big box. So we're going to open that up. There's going to be a part 2 to this video. If you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button down below. As you see, I have a bunch of Amazon black boxes here behind me. I do case unboxings all the time. So if you guys want to see those, hit the subscribe button. More case unboxings like these ones right here. Checking out some amazing new cars. And like I said, I picked these up from One Stop Diecast. And so far, they've actually done pretty well for me. They package stuff really well, and I really do appreciate that. But if you guys like this video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.